Hi, this is Paris. I scored 99 in my board exam. The credit of this success solely goes to Grooming Education Academy's Chandan Sir. I purchased this package of him during the holidays of my exam. My concepts were all messed up before that. The watching of these videos gave my energy a positive direction. Watching of these videos gave me conceptual clarity and confidence that I required for my board exam. The videos were very precise, to the point, and very well explained. Due to all this, I was able to excel in my board exam and scored 99 marks out of 100. I would recommend all of the students to buy courses from this academy. I have also purchased course of English from this academy. In English, I scored 90 out of 100 marks. Lectures of English were also very well, and the doubt addressal system was also impressive. These courses are available at very low rates, and I would recommend to you to take this course. Thank you very much.